Parkinson's disease affects 6.1 million globally and is projected to increase to 8.3 million by 2040. In the US, over 1 million are affected, with 60,000 new cases annually, costing over $25 billion a year. Parkinson's is a progressive nervous disorder affecting 6.1 million globally and 1 million in the US, most commonly in people over 60. 60,000 new cases are diagnosed in the US yearly, costing over $25 billion annually. 20% of Parkinson's patients globally are of working age, including farmers. In some countries, farming is a major source of income, but Parkinson's can reduce productivity and consume up to 30% of a family's income, especially in low-income countries with limited medical support. Studies show that using CNNs to analyze spiral drawings for Parkinson's detection has an accuracy of over 90%, with one study reaching 97.5%. This method holds promise for early, accurate, and non-invasive Parkinson's detection. 60,000 new cases of Parkinson's disease are diagnosed annually in the US, affecting 6.1 million globally. Despite this, up to 30% of cases are misdiagnosed, taking up to 4 years for accurate diagnosis. Early and accurate diagnosis is crucial for the effective management of the disease. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates for Parkinson's disease using AI computer vision techniques and machine learning algorithms. This involves training a deep learning model on a dataset of spiral images drawn by patients suffering from Parkinson's disease. These images are different from what is drawn by a healthy patient with no neuron disorder. The deep learning model uses convolutional neural network CNNs and transfer learning with an accuracy of over 80%. The deep learning model is easily created by collecting pictures and Parkinson's in a dataset on a TinyML platform like cAInvas with preprocessing that includes normalization and augmentation and training the model, resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. The resulting application is ported to a TinyML device connected with a camera that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection in remote areas like farming, so you can easily carry it in your pocket to identify Parkinson's disease yourself or help family, friends, and neighbors. Parkinson's disease is a progressive disorder that affects movement and can cause tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with balance, and can take up to 4 years for an accurate diagnosis, with up to 30% being initially misdiagnosed. A TinyML device connected with a camera to capture spiral drawings for Parkinson's detection can help millions of patients to early detection and treatment of disease. The solution is shown to reach an accuracy of over 80%, with some reaching 98.5%. This non-invasive method could improve the speed and accuracy of diagnosis, leading to better outcomes through early treatment. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.